SQL commands are divided into five categories. One is DDL, DML, DCL, DQL, and TCL. So we have DDL. DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. DCL means data control language. TCL means transaction control language, and DQL means data query language. So finally, SQL commands are divided into five categories. Let's get to know about DDL. What is meant by DDL? DDL means data definition language. So it is used to perform operations like creating the database, altering the database, and deleting the database. So we have create, alter, data, truncate. So even it performs creating a table, altering the table, and truncating all the rows from the table. The second one is data manipulation language. What is manipulation? Manipulation is nothing but changing the existing ones. So after performing DDL commands like creating a table, we use DML commands like insert and update and delete. So in a table, so what we do, we insert the data, we update the data, and we delete the data that are stored inside a table in a database. So the next one is DCL, data control language. To give permissions or to give privilege to access or control the data who performs operations on the database, we use DCL commands. DCL commands has two commands, one is grant and second one is revoke. To control or access the certain part of data who performs operations on the database, we use DCL commands. The next command, this category is DQL. DQL means data query language. In order to retrieve the data or fetch the data from the database, we use DQL commands. The command that we use is select. With the help of select command, we retrieve the data from the database. With the help of clauses and with the help of select command, we can further retrieve the data in a meaningful way. There are few clauses that can be used with select command. One is from, where, order by, group, having, distinct, and limit. With the help of clauses and with the help of select command, we retrieve the data from the database. The next category is TCL. TCL means transaction control language. What is meant by transaction? Transaction is a set of tasks that are executed in a single unit. So transaction commands are begin, commit, rollback, and save point. Transaction, if a task is failed, the entire transaction gets failed. So this is how transaction produces two results. Transactions has two results. The first result is success and second one is failure.